boost your immunity and keep you energetic for the whole day. So here are the ingredients for our recipe. Oats. Take 1/4 cup of oats, which are incredibly nutritious and rich in antioxidants and fiber. They have high satiety value. Take 1 to 2 spoons of pumpkin seeds, which are rich in antioxidants, magnesium and zinc. They reduce bad cholesterol level and increase the good cholesterol level in the blood. Take 2 to 3 dates, which are good source of antioxidant and contain higher protein, fat and fiber. Take 1 banana, which contains high amount of vitamin B6, B12, magnesium and potassium. Take 4 to 5 chocolate biscuits, 1 to 2 spoon of sugar, 1 glass milk and chocolate syrup to add flavor. Soak the dates for 5 to 10 minutes in water. Meanwhile, grind oats, pumpkin seeds and biscuits into a fine powder. So our fine mixture is ready. Now add this mixture, banana, soaked dates and sugar to milk and blend it. So our energy milkshake is ready. Enjoy.
So let's begin with our recipe. So first of all, we will add some oil into it. Now we have to wait until it gets hot. So let it get hot and then we will proceed further. Okay, till the time, let me introduce you to the ingredients we are using for it. We are having bell pepper with us, we are having carrots, we are having tomato, we are having paneer with us, beans, some red chili and green chili, corn, turmeric powder, cumin seeds and red chili. We are having this red chili sauce, and I think the oil is hot now. It needs some more time to get hot, so let's wait. And our oil is hot now. We will add on the cumin seeds to it, and we will add some ghee. Then we will add tomatoes. अब हम जब तक इसको चलाएंगे जब तक ये सौते होंगे, एंड वी विल वेट फॉर देम नाउ. Another thing is you have to take care of the kitchen hygiene also, as it is very necessary, especially nowadays because of that coronavirus. Especially because of that, please take care of the kitchen hygiene. And I am also doing the work with all the necessities, as you can see. The kitchen is clean. तो अब टमाटर और सारे जीरे बिल्कुल सौते हो गए हैं. नाउ वी आर गोना ऐड बेल पेपर्स टू इट. देन वी विल ऐड कैरेट and we will mix them well. We will add green chili to it. Then beans. And then corn. And now we have to mix them very well. This is looking really colorful and it will surely taste very good, and it is nutritious too. I'll introduce with all the nutrients in the video itself. It will take some time. So as you can see, they are well cooked. Now we will add some other ingredients into it. First of all, we will add turmeric powder to it. Then some red chili powder. Then some salt. So salt is according to your taste, so you can just put it according to you. Then we are adding red chili sauce. And now we have to mix them well too. So now I am adding garam masala into it, and now we will mix it well. Now we will add some coriander. You can add it later as well, it's up to you. So now as you can see, I have mixed up rice well. Now we will add some paneer to it. And mix it well. So I have served it well. As you can see, this is looking so tasty, and this is the way how you have to serve it. And it's ready to eat. So happy meal.